Hello students, myself Mutturaju MP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore. I will explain the Otto cycle thermal efficiency derivation. For this derivation, before the derivation, please all of you be there with the notebook and the pen, then only you can understand this one. Simply you can't understand anything. Next, let me start this derivation with the engine and efficiency. That engine and efficiency clear idea it will be given by the second law of thermodynamics Kelvin Planck statement. What it will say, it is not possible to construct an engine to transfer whole amount of heat energy into the work, whole amount of the heat energy into the work without loss. Therefore, according to that statement, there will be the loss. Some amount of the heat energy will be go to the loss. Whatever the heat energy taken from the high temperature reservoir, something will be go to the loss. The remaining thing will be converted into the work. Therefore, your work it will be is equal to QS minus QR. The efficiency of any engine it is equal to work divided by heat supply. That output divided by input. Therefore, your Otto cycle efficiency it is equal to Qs minus Qr divided by Qs. Then you can call this equation number 1. Let me call this equation number 1. Next, we can go to the PV diagram of this Otto cycle. The PV diagram is consists of 1 to 2 adiabatic compression, 2 to 3 it is constant heat addition process. This process cycle is also so called as the constant volume cycle. From 2 to 3 it is constant volume heat addition process. 3 to 4 it is adiabatic expansion process. 4 to 1 is heat rejection process. See, in the engine, from the bottom dead center to the top dead center, from 1 to 2 it is compressing. It is compressing. See here the direction. When it is compressed, the spark will produce the spark here. Then the fluid, which air and fluid mixture here, it will be gives heat energy. That heat energy will be converted into the mechanical energy by the means of explosion here. Therefore, that explosion moves the piston from top dead center to the bottom dead center. Then the heat will be added at constant volume process. When it is moving from top dead center to the bottom dead center, it will takes the path from 3 to 4. That will be so called as the adiabatic expansion process. Then heat will be rejected from the system. What is system here? The system is nothing but your thermodynamic fluid which is there inside the engine cylinder. Therefore, the heat will be rejected from the thermodynamic fluid here, then it will be goes out. Then your PV diagram will be like this. Then your heat supply, heat rejection divided by heat supply, that will be like this. And then heat supply during the constant volume process it is given by the Qs is equal to Cv into T3 minus T2. Qs is equal to T3 minus T2. Similarly, heat rejected during the process T4 to T1, that is Cv into T4 minus T1. Therefore, the Otto cycle efficiency will be given like this. Heat supply divided by heat rejection it is equal to Cv into T4 minus T1, Cv into T3 minus T2. Therefore, it will be get cancelled. Then it will be leads like this. T4 minus T1 divided by T1 minus T2. Here I will take T1 outside. Therefore, T4 by T1. T2 I will take outside, T3 minus T2. Then I will call this equation number 3. Therefore, next I will go for each and every process analysis. For this, what you want to do, only the thing is that you want to prove that T4 by T1 it is equal to what? 2 by T3 by T2. Therefore, P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma. Therefore, according to the adiabatic process, the TV relation it is equal to T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. Therefore, your T2 is by T1 is equal to T1 V1 by V2 whole to the power of gamma minus 1. There next, let me tell you what do you mean by the V1 by V2. V1 by V2 is nothing but compression ratio. Let us go for the concept of compression ratio, RC compression ratio. This is the ratio of V total divided by Vc. Therefore, it is equal to Vs plus Vc divided by Vc. That will be given like this. The total volume it is equal to V1, clearance volume it is equal to Vc, Therefore your swept volume is equal to V1 minus V2, that is swept volume. Therefore compression ratio it is equal to V1 divided by V2. Therefore T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2. Put in this equation V1 by V2 in terms of RC. Therefore T2 by T1 is equal to RC to the power of gamma minus 1. Similarly you can go for the process 3 to 4 where you have the adiabatic expansion process where your T3 V3 gamma minus 1 is equal to T4 V4 gamma minus 1. Then you can have the cross multiplication T3 by T4 is equal to V4 by V3, and at the same time from the diagram you see V4 by V3 is nothing but V4 is equal to V1, V3 is equal to V2. Therefore V1 by V2 is RC to the power of gamma minus 1. In this process the V4 by V3, the expansion and compression ratio both are the same. Therefore V4 T3 by T4 is equal to T2 by T1. Therefore it is equal to RC to the power of gamma minus 1. You cross multiply this one. Therefore T4 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2, T3 by T2, V4 by T4 by T1. 3. Equation number 3. You put in the here, then you will remain with the T1 by T2. Therefore T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T1. You are putting here. Therefore it will be remained with the T1 by T2. You know that T2 by T1 is equal to RC to the power of gamma minus 1. You can do like this 1 upon T2 by T1. Then T2 by T1 is equal to RC to the power of gamma minus 1. Therefore final answer will be 1 minus 1 divided by RC to the power of gamma minus 1. Therefore your key steps are for this one are Otto cycle it is equal to Qs minus Qr divided by Qs. Therefore T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. Therefore T3 V3 gamma minus is equal to T4 V4 gamma minus 1. Therefore your Otto cycle efficiency is given by 1 minus T1 by T2, T4 by T1 minus T1, T2 of T3 by T2 minus 1. Therefore T3 by T4 is equal to T2 by T1 equal to RC to the power of gamma minus 1. The T4 by T1, T3 by T2. Same thing you are doing here, and then it will be remained with your Otto cycle efficiency. Thank you.